Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the Hospitality Staff Dining Report in Docket. Let's get started. First, sign into your Docket account. From the top navigation menu, select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. In the subsequent menu, choose Departmental Reports. Within the Departmental Reports page, find and click on the Hospitality Staff Dining Report. Customize the report parameters by selecting the desired period and column views. Click Customize to add new columns to the report, namely percentage column, last year, per available room, per occupied room, budgets comparison, and forecast comparison. To export your report to Excel or PDF format, go to the top right corner of the report page and find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu options, and from there, select Export as Excel or Export as PDF. A notification will appear, indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docket. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipsis menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access the Hospitality Staff Dining Report in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.